We are unboxing the Arctic King 5 cubic black deep freezer. Ooh, I can't wait to open it. The Arctic King 5 cubic feet deep freezer, and we got it in the color black. There's the black one. Deep freezer. Alright, so this is the deep freezer. We got the temperature down here. All black. Arctic King. See in front of it. It's a lot of space in here. And then you have your little basket. Comes with the manual instructions and an ice scraper. See? It's nice and big. This is the Arctic King from Walmart. The 5-foot one. And take the basket out. See how deep it is? And then they have the basket you can put stuff in. You can place the basket anywhere in here you like. We're going to keep it on this side. I really like this. It is big enough for us too. We got the vent right here. Cord's right there. So you open here and the cord's. This is right here where you pull the plug out. This is where the plug is. It's a 3-prong plug. So this is where. This is all the cord. And the make and model.